Sustainability in asphalt paving has gained significant traction recently, driven by the need to reduce environmental impact and enhance resource efficiency. One development is using recycled materials such as reclaimed asphalt pavement, RAP, which allows for reusing existing asphalt in new mixes, conserving resources, and minimizing emissions during production. Another approach is incorporating bio-based additives and sustainable binders derived from renewable resources, reducing reliance on petroleum products. Additionally, warm mix asphalt, WMA, technologies enable production and application at lower temperatures, which lowers energy consumption and emissions. A notable option in environmental preferable paving materials is Solstice Titan. This polyolefin-based product range can be mixed with asphalt binders to improve durability while lowering carbon emissions and overall costs. Titan improves the binder's stiffness and lubricity and increases aggregate contact points, significantly enhancing pavement performance. Unlike conventional asphalt mixes, options like those utilizing Titan offer comparable or better performance, including increased rut resistance and improved moisture damage resistance. With research continuously evolving, we can expect more innovative solutions that balance performance with environmental responsibility.